Okay, let's go snorkeling.
Where's my family? Where'd they go? Yo, Tango, hasta familia. Okay, back to the snorkeling montage. I've seen this ship before. It's a shipwreck. It's a huge shipwreck. I've never, with my eye of a photographer or videographer, I've never seen like all these shots. Like I want to get like in with the fish and like take a cool shot. Oh, it's very choppy. All right, back under. So right now we're getting lunch, and yeah, fish are awesome. Snorkeling was an amazing experience. We're going to have lunch now. I think I said that, and I hope everybody's having a great day today. Two crazy excursions. We did the parasailing and the snorkeling. Parasailing's already out. I already have a video of that out. Go check that out right now. I'll leave a little annotation right there. You click that, and after you just saw the snorkeling, that's the second excursion we did. Look at this guy. Those birds were going crazy.
Okay, bend this on there, and you can take a selfie maybe. There. So you gotta turn this way. Okay, you're fine. Can you do that? Guys, look at the camera.
Hey buddies.
This one here, okay? Keep your arm up. Okay, Mom, come on this side, Mom. Okay. Let's put this down, okay?
Hey buddy.
Arm up, Mom. And there. And steady.
We just finished eating lunch and we just played bingo actually. My brother stole my board and won 20 bucks with it, so that's a little annoying, but he did break his phone, so karma's a beat. Even though he did break his phone before we played bingo, the whole LCD screen is like messed up. It's not charging because there's a piece of rice stuck in it because he thought it was wet, and then he tried jamming the charger in. So I mean, I guess 20 bucks, but he still stole it from me, which was rude. I don't even think I mentioned that, like how cool the guy when he put the bird on my hat and my arms and I was taking a picture. That was really quiet. I don't even think I remember to talk to you guys about that before I had lunch or something. Good. Can I get a strawberry banana smoothie and a virgin pina colada? Moving a palapa. That's how they remove palapas, I guess. That just showed you where they dug them up and they took it away. But they dig them up and they take them away and they build new ones. So this was a strawberry mango smoothie. You usually get strawberry banana or just having to mix it up a lot. But we got hooked up. My brother works for them in New York and we got 50% off all drinks and food, non-alcoholic, $30 each room credit. We're living it up. It is our last day in Aruba, so we are enjoying the water, the sun, and everything for the last time today. It's the last day here in Aruba. Whoa. Alright, time to go downstairs.
Ow.
Oh my god, it's freezing.
It's freezing.
Bob likes to throw the ball. Really good footage, even though it's just going back and forth between my brother and my dad and I. Look at this, here he comes. Oh, got him. Amazing. Now the moon is out and the sun hasn't even set yet. That's cool. Oh, I threw another one on the beach. I'm a winner. If he throws to me, I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill you. So, I don't know what we're doing after this, but I know we are going to this restaurant that my brother likes ribs. I hate ribs, probably just because they're messy, and I don't know if I even like the meat. I hate barbecue sauce as well. So, I'll probably just eat whatever. This is our last night to enjoy this. I'm probably not going to even put it in the video because I'm just going to enjoy it. I'm not going to film it. Staying here in the ocean. There's a cute girl over there. Okay, back on track. So, we're going to play some more ball. So we made it back to the hotel. Wait, let me just get some good lighting here. And I had an amazing day. I think this one was one of the best days I had in Aruba. We snorkeling. I love the fishes. Parakeet. I love birds too. I've always wanted. I think it's one. I've always wanted a macaw, which I think that's what the bird that he put on. But they're kind of big, and you can't really have them as house pets because they're also like $2,000. So I would probably get a. If I ever got a bird, I would probably get a sun macaw or something like that, or just a chameleon. With my parents, I can't get either. So whatever. So last night I actually had this dessert. It was fire, and I made this edit on the beach because the restaurant was on the beach, and it was literally the tables were in the ocean. So that was cool. So I'm gonna play a little edit of that. It's like a really quick, like 10 seconds. It's like the dessert, the entrance, and here, just play the edit. And that's it for today. If you guys made it this far, you guys are awesome. Don't forget to leave a like, share with friends, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys sadly back in New Jersey. Peace out. Bye.
I'm like, hey, what's up?